Hey folks, welcome back to another video. Today we're looking at question 455, assign cookies. The way we'll be solving this problem is basically by sorting both the arrays. So let's start with that. So arrays.sort, we'll be sorting G, and then we'll be sorting S. And since they are arranged in ascending order, it'll be easier for us. So let's say G size would be equal to G dot length, and S size is equal to S dot length, and then we need to keep the indexes as well. So let's say G index equals to 0 and initialize S index to be equal to 0 as well. And in the end, we also need the result that we will be returning. Since we have to iterate through all of them, but we need a while loop because we need to make sure the indexes don't cross greater than the size. So it would be as long as G index is less than G size, and S index is less than S size, I think we should be good here. And we'll do some sort of magic within the while loop, and in the end we will return result. Let's just compile this to see if it works. Okay, so couldn't find G and S. I think it is, yeah, since it's an array, the length is defined, so we can just grab the length as is. Okay, cool. Okay, awesome. At least it didn't give any compilation errors, which is good. So if once we are in the while loop, if G of if S of S index, if it is greater than or equal to G of G index, basically what's happening here is that we are saying that the size of this is greater than or equal to what the child requires. So that's good. The number of kids that are satisfied would be you'd increase that by 1, and the other thing you would need is that kid has been satisfied, so you can increase the G index as well. And only if actually, I wonder if S index needs to be increased outside. So only if it is greater than or equal to the G index. So, but what if it is less than or equal to? No, actually greater than or equal to. So that will satisfy a kid. You're increasing the index, and in either of the cases you need to increment S, I think. Let's try compiling this. Yeah, so both the test cases are okay, everything else is okay as well. Awesome. In the reason why here we need to increment S index is because either we have made sure that okay, this cookie matches with this kid, or it doesn't, and it's too small, so we need to move forward with the S index anyway. So that's the reason why we need to increment the S index regardless to whether this condition is met or not. Awesome. So let's talk about the space and the time complexity of the entire solution. The time complexity of the entire solution is of n, since we are sorting two arrays right here, and the space complexity is of 1 since we aren't using any additional space to solve this problem. Awesome. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. I'd really appreciate that. Keeps me motivated to make more videos. Thanks so much, and I see you folks soon. Peace.